Okay, here we have Dylan on my dirt bike, and we're getting ready to go, or he is getting ready to go ride it. Uh-oh, I think it's about to die. That doesn't sound, oh, okay. Oh, slow down, you're going too fast. Come on, dude. All the way, do what I do. Remember, dude, you're riding a dirt bike, not a snail. Call him Daddy on film. Wheelie! 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 Come on, man. Do it for the people! You know they want you. Yeah! The car was in the way! Woo! Are you serious? Yes! I'm gonna kill you. Do it again! He's being an idiot! He put the car in the way. He's just like, ugh! Don't go wasting all my time. That sucked. What was that? Come on. Okay, after he does this, hit okay. Oh God! Okay. Okay. Okay, my brother has gotten off, so, I have gotten off. I'm Dylan. See? But, yeah, and, yeah, there he is again. I've gotten off. Ah! Trying to run me over. But, yeah, I've gotten off. I'm Dylan right now. So, Aaron, yeah, he's gotten on. That was my dad just a second ago. He was riding. He knows how to do a wheelie. I do not. So, yeah. That's why we're chatting wheelies. Wheelie. There he is again. I can barely see him right now. There he is.